Today I'm going to build two very different phone stands. I have 2 hours, that's it. Let's see if I can actually pull it off. There is a big problem now. I have 52 minutes left and I have to think of a solution now. I'm gonna redo it. This was way closer than I expected. It is 1:30 p.m. I'm gonna start the 2-hour timer right now. The goal is very simple. 2 different designs in under 2 hours, finished and everything ready. Okay, I decided to go with these 2 pieces. This one is an oak flooring plank and this is just a solid piece of oak. Okay, why am I challenging myself? It has actually 2 reasons. The first one would be making a more interesting video. And the second one is I would like to upload it tomorrow evening. I need to get this done and cut the video in that time, while also doing other stuff. So I just have to get going. Okay, the first one is going to be the more complicated one. It's going to include some angles, gluing them together and all of that. The second one will be easier, so I think I have a little bit more time on that one. And I would also like to mention that the 2 hours are going while I'm also setting up the camera and I'm making this video in 2 languages, so twice the explaining to do, which doesn't make it easier for me. I would like to remove this groove here, so I'm sending this board through the planer now. With projects like this one, proportions matter more than complexity. Because if one angle is slightly off, it starts looking awkward immediately. So I'm gonna take my time and figure out these angles so that I don't have to do it all over again. Okay, we are already getting close to the finish line and we have 1 hour and 24 minutes left, which is way quicker than I expected, but I also calculated for filming and all that kind of stuff. And at that point, still anything could go wrong. And then I definitely need that time, but I think I overestimated it completely. Let me know in the comments if you thought at the beginning that 2 hours is way too much. Okay, I will sand these now and then glue them together. And that should be it. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry and start the second one. Okay, I should have said a thing, because I didn't put any thought in building this one, because, well, it's extremely simple. But there is a big problem now, which I'm going to demonstrate you with this thing now. I have 52 minutes left and I have to think of a solution now. I'm gonna redo it. Okay, 36 minutes left. I need to cut in the slot into this piece now, and then I would sand it by hand and finish it, and I guess that will be it. But 36 minutes, I have to finish that one. I have to sand and finish that one as well. Okay, now I need to get going because it seems to be getting close either way. This was way closer than I expected. Okay, I did it. It was way closer than I expected, but they are done in under 2 hours. And now I will go home and cut this video so it will be ready for tomorrow evening. 2 hours, 2 designs, both usable. But I think I like the left one more. It just doesn't look so DIY-y. This one is also a little bit more stable than the other one. It looks better, but it's also a little bit harder to build, I would say. But still they are both DIY friendly. I can tell you the first one is going to find some use in our home, but the second one, I don't think so. If you want to build one yourself but you're looking for a different design, I already made a video where I built a phone stand that looks completely different. Thank you all for watching, and if you liked the video, consider subscribing.